Hi everybody, we're in the garden today to harvest sweet potatoes from these grow bags. We started these sweet potatoes back in March, and if you'd like to see how I planted the slips into the grow bags, check the link in the description. It's been what? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. It's been 8 months. So hopefully we have some sweet potatoes in these grow bags. I planted one slip in one grow bag, so we'll check that one out first, and two slips in the other grow bag. So that's different than the way I normally plant these because typically I would put in three slips. So we're kind of experimenting this season to see if one slip does better because the plant has more room to grow, or if two does better than that, or maybe three slips was the way to go. I just noticed in the past that the three slips in the grow bag really got root bound. And so I'm thinking that maybe fewer slips in these grow bags might do better. So let's go ahead and get started here. So I have this wheelbarrow setup with a tarp inside. It makes it a lot easier to take the soil out and then sift through the soil to get to the sweet potatoes. Okay, so this grow bag has one slip in it. So Ginger's going to go ahead and cut the foliage off. Okay. All right. So we're just have the main stem here. I'm going to turn this over and you can grab that stem, Ginger.
Oh. Ooh.
Okay. So it's a challenge to get these out. Yeah, pound the sides a little bit. All right, we see at least one sweet potato. All right.
Okay. Alrighty. Here is that one.
So there's one. Oh, it's a nice one there. Well, let's see. We've got two fairly decent sized one and two small ones. So, all right. So let's go ahead and check the second grow bag, and let me give you a closer look at that. I'll bring the camera in so we can get a better look at the potatoes. This grow bag has two slips. Okay, so here's the first plant here, and here's the second plant. Okay, cross our fingers here.
Alrighty.
See anything yet?
Well, here's one little guy.
There's one
Oh,
here. That's a pretty good one there. There's one. Small one. All right, so this is what we got from this was from the first grow bag with one plant, and this is from the second grow bag with two plants. So not much difference. I think in the past when we've done 3 plants, it did better. So our final harvest is 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes as well as 4 small ones. You win some and you lose some, and this was a challenge that we did not expect. I was hoping to get a lot more production than this, but it happens, right? And that's one of the challenges of gardening. Uh, you have your successes and then you have your setbacks. We'll figure this out and try to do better next time. Please consider sharing and liking this video, and please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate your support. And as always, thanks again for watching.